Sorry. Anyway, what's up, guys? Alicia Walls here. And as you can see, I have a couple of packages here. And I received these on yesterday. And so I want to open these here on my YouTube channel for you guys for the Elite Unlimited Mailing Club. I wanted to show you guys that I am receiving packages with this opportunity. And stay tuned. I want you guys to see. All right, guys, let's get right into these three packages. It is Sunday. The football games are on. So, have a couple of people that are coming over to watch games. And I want to go ahead and get these open. So, as you can see, one is already open. My daughter, she loves to open these packages up. And she started to open it on yesterday. I was like, wait. No, don't open it. I have to open it on my YouTube channel. So, she's already torn the top off of this. But let's go ahead and get into it. So the first package that I received, let's see. Let's go ahead and get this little baby open here. I tear my envelope so crazy. But here's the first one. As you can see, I know you really can't see. The lighting in here is crazy. I have to figure that out. And just look over my finger here. I broke it. I told you guys that on another video. But this person came in on the VIP level. I know you can't really see it. But they came in on the VIP level. And VIP level, this is a direct commission. So I received $150 for that one. 100, 20, 40, 50, and 2 books of stamps. Okay. That's on that one. And I will definitely get the welcome email out that I send out for my team to this member here. And I'll sit that to the side. That down there. And the envelope. And here's the other envelope here. Oh, God. But, yeah, while I'm opening up the package, I do want to tell you guys this briefly. And they put it in a little camouflage thing here. But I want to tell you guys this briefly while we're doing this. I didn't get a chance to tell you on my other video, but about the leads. Whenever you want to purchase more leads with this company here, the Elite Unlimited, you're actually able to purchase leads from the company at a wholesale price. So I know they have quantities like 100, they have 250. No, I take that back. It's 200, 300, and then it goes all the way up to 1,000 leads that you can purchase. And just to let you know, the 200 set of leads are, I believe they are, I can't really remember. I think they're $35 is how much those are. But here's my second package. Another VIP member. And I have to tilt this so you guys can see. Another VIP member. You see the second one that's done there. Another VIP member. But the important part about this one is this is an indirect. So that means that a person that's on my team currently, they have gotten a sign up for this. Because on the VIP, your direct commission is $150 and your indirect is $60. So here are here's $60 right here. And let's see, they have the envelopes and something else. Let's see, where are they? Okay. And 2 books of stamps. So that's $60 and 2 books of stamps that I received for my direct commission on the VIP level. That's the second package that's being opened right there. Let's go ahead and open this other package up. So, like I was saying about the leads. So you can purchase leads. This company does not offer the reselling of the leads just yet. I'm pretty sure they will add it after, they kind of, I can see what's what. I don't know, but I haven't seen an option to resell the leads, but the prices are, they're pretty good for the members, okay? So this person right here also came in at the VIP level, and the VIP level is a pretty good level to come in on because you receive the 300 sales letters that are printed, and you receive 300 leads digital, meaning in your email and on pill and stick labels. And for this one, this is a direct commission, and I received $150. I know the lighting sucks in here, but $100 and $50, so that's $150 and 2 books of stamps. Okay, so I have a total of let's see, $360. Listen, I'm trying to put it all together so I can count it for you. Okay, here we go, putting it all together, make it easier for me to count the money to you. So 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80. Oh, my fingers giving me the blues. 150. Okay, so that's $360 that I have received on today, which $360 is not bad at all to receive for 3 commissions. 3 packages in the mail with this opportunity, and then to mention I have stamps to go along with that. So I'm looking at a pretty good weekend so far, and I just can't wait for other people to join the team. And I want to show you real quick the other packages that I've received, for the duration of the week last week. These are the ones that I received last week right here. And let's count them. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then plus these 3. That's a pretty good amount to receive. And I've already, some of the letters that I received when I came in on the prestige level, they don't offer stamps on the prestige level, but you do receive your 500 leads on pill and stick labels, and in the email you receive a customized return stamp, which I have that, the little customized return stamp here. And you also receive 500 printed letters. I don't know if I said that or not. 500 envelopes. And so I have used those stamps to send those letters. Well, some of the letters, I'd already sent a lot of them off, but I sent the remaining off with the other stamps. I dropped those in the mail on Friday. So, this is a great opportunity to receive cash and stamps in the mail. If you guys are interested in becoming a member of this opportunity, the link is in the description. And once again, I do want to tell you guys, whenever I bring a member into this opportunity, your name not only goes in the company rotator, but it also go on my rotator. So my website is right below, the eliteunlimited.com. And all you guys have to do is click that link, whatever cover letter or sales letter that you see that is a member of my team, and you guys, you want to get in. This is a really great opportunity. $360 in one day. So last week I actually made a total of, I want to say I really didn't keep up with the amount of it, but if I'm not mistaken, I think it was $860 or something like that on last week. And this would include that for Saturday. So $800 and some that I've received for 1 week working this opportunity, mainly offline. But, I introduced you guys to this opportunity on my YouTube channel, and I've had a couple of you guys to already join, already sign up. And it's phenomenal. So $360 today. You guys get in as soon as you possibly can. You don't want to be one of those people that wait until everyone starts getting in and start creating your YouTube videos and all of that. If you go to Google right now and you search the Elite Unlimited Mailing Club, my video pops up in the Google search as the first video. So think about it. You know, this is new for this company coming online. So just think about it. If you get in and you start creating your YouTube videos, how many people are going to search for the Elite Unlimited Mailing Club and find your video and start with you? So that's the great part about, you know, getting into something when the company first started doing it online, because now you have the advantage over every other person. So other than that, guys, thank you so much. I'm definitely going to enjoy my Sunday and try to take some meds for this finger here. And I'll talk to you guys later. And just to let you know, I want to try to do a video every day about different techniques, different ways that I do my opportunity. Like I will do a video on, you know, how I package my envelopes whenever I get ready to send them out in the mail. As a member of my team, you will receive a PDF digital copy of this little printout here on this envelope, and that's what I give my team members, because the company gives you so much training already. And the good part about it is this opportunity, you won't have to worry about people saying, well, my sponsor didn't help me do this and my sponsor didn't that, because the company sends out every single person their training. So you have training to get started with, even if your sponsor just brought you in. They really didn't know what to do with the opportunity. It was just bringing people in. Now you have that training from the company that you can get started with. And it's kind of not one of those things where my sponsor did this, my sponsor did that. So, you know, that's a really great part about this company. But once again, bye guys. Until next time, I'll see you guys later.